It's common for someone to put off a hearing test, often because they don't realize how much they're missing, or they worry about what comes next. The best thing you can do is approach the conversation with patience and care. Focus on how better hearing can make life easier. Clearer conversations, less frustration, more connection. Sometimes even coming along to the appointment can make a big difference. If your loved one has been hesitant, encourage them to take that first step. Schedule a hearing test together at the Center for Hearing and Balance. It could change both of your lives for the better.